Watch out! The bear is here! Do you still want to fight with the bear? You gonna choose, Borgy? The bear or hippo? It's payback time, Borgy. You gotta pick someone your own size. Oh no! Hippo wants to run away from you. He's now scared of you, Borgy. Hippo doesn't want to fight anymore. He's dead tired already. You gotta fight a bear now, Borgy. Do you still want to fight the bear or not? Borgy, are you okay? Are you sure you're alright? Don't be discouraged, Borgy. That's okay. If you don't want to live in the jungle, no problem. I just want you to decide what you really want.
2 hours later.
Borgy, have you decided what you want to do now? Okay, Borgy. I'm gonna give you another option. This is gonna be fun, Borgy, but it's not in the jungle. But you will still gonna be a lion, Borgy. How about that? You gotta think about it. All you gotta do is to do tricks. Are you ready for this job, Borgy? I'll make you an offer you can't refuse. Now you're listening. Are you ready to hear me now? Okay, I want you to go out of the room. Gonna tell you all the details.
A few moments later.
Okay, Borgy, listen. This is a high-paying job with unlimited treats. All you gotta do is to do tricks. Let's review your tricks, Borgy. Lie on your back. Yes! Up, stay, stand. I want you to hands up. Up, spin, roll over. Good job, Borgy. I think you are fit for this job. For sure, you will be a star. Congratulations, Borgy. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this place. This is the carnival. And you are now called Borgy the Amazing Lion. All you need to do is to showcase your talent. That's it, Borgy. You are truly amazing. All right.